Right, so now you have completed your paper sample, we are going to go straight on to fabric. Remember to write your name and your class on your fabric. Okay, and I'm going to start off by penciling out my design again. So there's my L, there's my P, and there's my R. Okay, try and keep them close to your design. Now I had a border around the outside, so don't you want to make it big, because otherwise you're not going to get the detail on it because of the way the wax flows. Okay, so like you can see, I'm on my fabric now, so that's going to change the outcome of the effect that we're looking at. And you know, from your last one, you might decide that you're going to change the inside, you might decide they're going to be different, or it's up to you. Anyway, so I've marked it out, so I'm going to go straight on to using my janting. So like I said before, don't just drip it, it's got to connect with the fabric, the surface. Okay, that's when it's most likely to have a decent line. Now obviously the fabric, you can see the wax is sinking in a lot more on the fabric. Okay, you've got to keep it moving, and you can see I've already spilt mine. Okay, but we're going to continue because this is practice for our cushion, and this sample will go into your books and then hopefully get reviewed. See what you think of it. Okay, this one's a bit smaller than my paper one, so it might not have as much detail on it. So just going around the outside and then repeating what you did. So now what we're going to do is just like we did before, the painting. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing as before just to see what it looks like on fabric. So we've got yellow, so we're going to go around the outside with the yellow, going around that, then to the orange, putting a bit of orange on there, blending it in so it looks a bit more like fire or flames. Okay, you're welcome to use this as inspiration. Okay, a bit more of that, then a little bit of red, filling it in like that. I think the red's coming out a lot brighter on this than the paper. Remember to clean your paintbrush in between. Your design might get contaminated. So I've got my bright blue, which I really like. That can go around the outside, making that stand out. So like a border, makes the work look a little bit more important. So you can see that it won't go where the wax is. And then the bright blue around the outside, like I said, and then we've got this sort of deep purple, and you can just add a bit of water to that to make it lighter, a bit like watercolours. You can water it down. Okay, if you want it quite dark, then that's up to you. And again, like I said, try to complete the whole of the fabric, just so it shows that you have been able to use the technique properly. So hopefully you can see the difference between the practice one, paper one, and the fabric one. It's slightly different. Thank you.